This is DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo, and today I'll show how you can change the stick mode on this drone. So to start, you will need to launch your drone settings, then enter the control category, scroll down and look for the stick mode. Enter this section here, and now you can switch your stick modes between mode 1, mode 2, mode 3, or you can set up a custom preset, change the controls however you'd like them to be. So change settings and move them around, swap the functions as you please, and then don't forget to press save. You can do the same for other modes too, or actually not. Yeah, the custom mode is the only one that you can adjust and set up for yourself. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.